Welcome to One Miners. This is Lucas.
This is Gerda.
We are having another unboxing, and today it's Bitmain Antminer, and it's having 270 terahash on Bitcoin.
All right, let's see what's inside in this magic box.
Magic box, okay.
Is this like the newest version of Antminer? Antminer S21?
I think so. This one is kind of more modern iteration of Bitmain miners. You were starting on 90 terahash, and they goes up to 120. S21 started, I think, on 180 terahash, and normally it was like 245 or 6. But this thing, this huge monster is able to calculate 270 terahash per second. Yeah.
So this is actually the miner that we use in our Bitcoin cafe. I do know a little bit about it though, that you can heat up at least 70 square meters with this huge miner. It's around like 70 to 80 decibels loud.
Okay.
And if you put it in the anti-noise box, it can be as quiet as 40 decibels, 35.
Okay, yeah.
Is that correct?
That is correct.
I don't know about profitability though. You will have to tell me a little bit more about that one.
Okay, let's say ASIC miner Profit is telling me that, yeah, I was correct. This miner can make you about
$10.98 a day.
All right.
But I wanted just to mention there is also cable included in this box, which is great because Bitmain is using very special P13 cable, which is this one, and this is C19. It's a connector which can handle a lot of amps. Yes, yes, yes. That's great. It smells fantastic.
Disgusting!
What is the power consumption on this one?
It should be still, like in specification, it says
3,645.
watts.
And how, I know we spoke about a little bit about decibels on this one, but was I correct?
You can tell there are bigger fans. This machine will scream on you in range of 75 to 80 decibels. It's industrial machine. Unless you have a silent box or something, you don't want to live anywhere near these machines.
So our customers who are buying this machine, how are they using them?
If you put it in a silent box, it will work for you at your home, or if you can have it in your garage. This is industrial machine. It's mostly used on mining farms that in professional environment. You can mine with this machine on our housing. In our location, it's a power-hungry machine. So from this, you can go only on hydro, but like for example, this is more powerful than Hydro S19. Hydro S19 is 5.5 kilowatts, and this is under 4 kilowatts. You may have a better electricity rate at our housing than in your home.
So what is the price for this?
Price for this beauty is 4,500 USD. It's cheaper than some hydro, but it can mine you some nice coins basically.
What coins can I mine on this one?
Fractal Bitcoin, Pure Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, eCash, that is XEC, and DGB SHE. So overall we are 45 centimeters deep, more or less, 22 or 21 and a half. Okay, 22. 22 centimeters wide, which is very similar to standard machine, and the total we are 29 and a half tall in centimeters. What do you think about it?
I think it's nice, it's clean, it's big.
New.
It's new, exactly.
Come close. So there is micro USB, which is kind of standard, same reset button, IP reporter, Ethernet port. All these things are standard. Can you see this?
Yes, it's a little screen.
Yes. This is LED screen. It will show you animation of Antminer logo and also your real-time hash rate. This is not standard.
So why people would buy this instead of the older version?
This machine will give you more hash rate for less electricity if you are comparing to all the miners. More coins, less electricity. That's it. So that's it for today. If you are looking for hosting of your machine or machine like this, we are here for you. We can host it for you in Norway, in Nigeria,
Paraguay, United States.
Yeah, especially in the United States.
Because we have no service fees.
And also you can buy with pay later. It's our new feature. You will pay just quarter of the price of the miner and the rest in installment for next 4 months. See you next time. Like, comment, subscribe, and remember, keep your hashes high and your electricity bill low. This is Lucas.
And this is Gerda, and we'll see you at oneminers.com.